San Simeon is such a beautiful town. It's right on the coast, and this is the Pacific Ocean. It's a very small town, and mountains around, right on the coastline. It's very famous for the elephant seals. That's where we are heading to right now. And there is also this place called Hearst Castle. They generally do tours, but right now it's closed because of some kind of road repair. This is a very lonely spot, just a few people around here, not a very busy beach area or anything. It is just a coastal access point.
No, I'm not gonna be there. Maybe he's on way. He's just trying to get out.
So we saw some elephant seal at the Elephant Seal Vista Point in San Simeon. Looks like this is the time they come out of the water for breeding and giving birth, and so there are a lot, and then they spend most of the time in the water actually. This is a right time to see a bunch of elephant seals lying around. They're so huge, I couldn't even understand that they are elephant seal. We thought they're some kind of rocks.
Show me, let me see. Let's see this guy. It has a trunk too.
That's why they're known as elephant seals, right? Because they have this small trunk.
Yeah.
Kind of, fly sat. Krishna, fly sat on its face and it did something to make it move over. See, the fly will sit and it. See. It's kind of shaking. There's a huge group of elephant seals lying down here. Looks like the whales come after these elephant seals, and that's how there was a whale attack a couple of days back in this area. They seem to be sleeping all the time, but looks like they are kind of fierce animals, big teeth, and they kind of can move more fast than what we can expect.
Oh no, that's just.
So here we have a group of elephant seals all lying around resting. So looks like couple of days back there was a shark attack. It looks like sharks come after all these elephant seals, and in the process some surfer got attacked. It just happened 2 days back. It is kind of sad, but I think this area is very common for that. And there you can see one of the elephant seals kind of trying to scratch itself. It's kind of so funny. It's kind of trying to scratch itself. It looks like they can't move fast, but actually they are fierce and they can actually move fast. So right now they are resting around here, and there is a huge group. There's also a small baby at the end. And this is the time they come out of the seas to nurse and birth. Most of the time they are in the water. And then there is also this time, there is a time of molting season where they shed off their old skin and hair.
He's scratching, he's trying to sleep back.
This one is very active. I think it's trying to move around. Yeah. That one is a baby, I guess, the one at the end.
That
He's sleeping.
I can't zoom in.
Yeah. Most of them are sleeping. Most of them are actually sleeping. That's the baby out there.
Baby seals I was talking about.
These are normal seals.
So that is one of the baby elephant seals.
No.
And this
That
one.
guy is a normal seal. This and that guy is a normal seal. This is a harbor seal. That guy is an elephant seal.
So looks like this is a harbor seal, and that one is also a different type of seal, much smaller than the elephant seals. I think the elephant seals really struggle to get back into water because of their size and their weight. Looks like a male elephant seal goes up to 5,000 pounds, and a baby seal is born up to the weight of 50 to 80 pounds. It must be so difficult for them to move around. Oh no, this one was moving and it just stopped now.
Okay.
So they're flipping sand over
Oh, look,
themselves.
there's a baby elephant seal with the mom.
Yeah.
Look, take a.
Yeah.
Wait, no, don't take
I got it.
See, this guy is a normal seal.
So they keep flipping sand over themselves, maybe to keep themselves warm.
Oh, get them out.
Mommy and baby. See,
No.
that's the baby and mommy.
Look at that
The
one.
baby and the mommy are sleeping there.
He was moving.
Yeah,
Look,
they're-
look, that one on the shore. He's moving, he's moving.
Yeah. The one on the shore is moving. That's right.
That guy.
Oh, look
Oh,
at him.
wow, look how
Look
he's
at him, look
moving.
at him.
It's coming closer.
That guy from the.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of work for this elephant seal to move.
Oh, look at that.
And this one is getting irritated. I think he's not liking
He's
all
like
this
spinning
attention.
his spine.
So many people watching him, it's not liking it, I guess.
And then all the little
It
ones.
just changed its position and is sleeping again.
What? This is.
So when you're bored looking at the elephant seals, there's a bunch of seagulls as a distraction to look at. Of the Big Sur, we are driving from San Simeon towards SFO. So the Big Sur started like 10 minutes back. The view is awesome. It has this, you can see the mountains on one side and the ocean on the other side. And here we got a view where you can see the ocean from between the mountains. And it is really very, very breathtaking. Nice view.
Take me out. Look over here, Pa.
Yeah, come. Come, go all the way there.
Hey, வேண்டாம்மா சும்மா இது பண்ணாத.
अभी फट्टू ऊपर रख के वो खा जाएगा. Come here, Karthik. Come here.
I swear he pushed me out.
God, don't know.
Krisha, what are stick hunting? Really hard and precise job. You try to get sticks and stuff. Oh yeah, remember that's why I'm playing it. I want to win. Was it Pragya who said that? Who said there's a lot of Buxton Brown. Thanks a lot, Buxton Brown. You could ace why? I don't know. You can't have nutrition without that, right? My voice keeps on cracking and I say these stupid things.